Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook post. Let's see how to do that. First go to facebook.com. Then log into your account. From home page, on the left side you'll see your profile picture and your name. Click there to go to your profile. This is your profile, where you will find all of your Facebook posts. If you want to delete any particular post, go to that post. Then on the right side of that post, you'll see there is three dot option. Click there, where you will find some option. If you want to delete that post, scroll down a bit, then select move to recycle bin. Read the details. Items in your recycle bin are deleted after 30 days, but it will immediately delete from your Facebook profile. Click there, then select move. Now this post has been moved to recycle bin. No one will be able to see that post. That's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.